Welcome back. As you can see, we got some trays to unmold, so let's get into it. I'm going to change the camera angle so y'all can get closer and BRB. All right, so we're back, and just because of curiosity's sake, I'm gonna try and take this one out first. Okay, so let's get into it. Ooh. Me and my bad habits. Ooh. Huh. Oh, it was in. I was like, what is that sound? It was sitting in resin. Probably, oh yeah, it did spill. Ooh. Huh. Okay. So I was trying something different, as you can see. Did not work out how I expected it to. But I can make something work with this. I kind of like this. I'm going to end up just wiping off this part that spilled here and just do another layer so that we can fill in the part that it's set around. I kind of like this though. Yes, I just smelled it because I have a thing with smells. That is, but the resin set around this though. I actually really like how this looks. And I hope when I put the resin that it actually stays with the holes, because that would be pretty awesome. I was trying something I saw online with some art stuff. So I have an idea of another way to try it. So we're gonna try that afterwards, but we're definitely gonna put some resin in there and I'll show a picture afterwards. So at the end of this video so you guys can see how it looks once it cures. Dang, so since I gotta do that, I think I might wait. Actually, no, I have time, but yes, I like it. So we're gonna put this to the side. Oh yeah, it was a Frankenstein, so I just tried something different. If you can see here, we got like the black and blue glitter, and then there's like a grayish. I'm trying to figure out where this gray came from. Was it this? I don't remember where this gray came from, but there was another tray that was made and there was leftover color, so I did a little Frank. I actually really like this split color, how clean this split is. I just love the smooth edges as always. I love when my edges set properly. So this one now, this pink I was experimenting with because Valentine's is coming. Where's your boyfriend? I was just really curious to how, ooh, it's like another clean split edge. We gonna call this one, I don't know what yet, but it's a little green in there. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was doing another tray. What's it called? The private astronaut tray that I tried. I really love the way this, I think this is about to be my new theme. The split trays. Oh my gosh. And then we have some little speckles inside. I don't know if you can see of where some of the green may have, what you call it, look at me trying to take, got it. But I really love this. I like this pink. I'm not even a pink girl, but I like this pink and the speckles in there. I need to hurry up and take pictures of this and put this on the website. I'm about to skip all the other trays just for the simple fact that it is February 3rd and we need to get this out. This is really cute. I really like this. Like, it's giving for the love of money, and I think that might be what I call it because of this green here. Even though this is not a money green, I like it. I like it a lot. This touches me. If I smoked, I would want this. Very biased opinion here, of course, but let me get these back in frame and change the angle so we can close out. All right, shift this over. Camera's not in the same position and we're crooked, but whatever. I've obtained another surface cut on my thumb. I don't know if y'all can see it. Whatever. This is why my hands look the way they look. They probably was looking ashy on camera. Oh my god, I ain't put no lotion on. Oh well, y'all will be okay. Bra's showing, cover it up. Anyhow, got these unmolded. I really like this. Like, I love how this one came out too, like I said, but I need to put this on. I need to put another layer on this, and I really hope the texture stays for my sake. This looks so, don't look sharp. But anyways, this one has my heart. Like, funny enough, I really like this one. Like, I don't know if y'all can see the green in it. Like, and of course, me and my smooth edges. I love when it comes out smooth because I be in here doing a thing, you know. Anyways, oh, this kind of matches my bra, my green bra, actually my pink bra that turned green because we go to Juve. Anyhow, let me prop this up for y'all. And my sorrow with this desk, everything reverbs. Anyways, is that the word for it? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the podcast. Make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube channel. Make sure that you go and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Come shop with the girl. Come shop with me. I'm not begging. Some of y'all don't know, it's pointlesstalks.com, spelled exactly like that, /crafts, or you can just go pointlesscreates.com. It's pointlesscreates8s.com, if that's simpler for you, whichever, whatever. Just go to pointlesstalks.com, click on the crafts thing. Oh my gosh, hair, stay. But anyways, oh, this is how it actually was. But anyways, yes, love these two. And just like everything else we do here, Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, Pointless everything, whether you got here on purpose or by fate. I was like, what is that in the corner? Whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. I really need to start taking out my bloopers. Bye.